Hey guys, RPM here. Hope y'all doing well and having a really great day. In this video, I just received a bunch of stickers. Shut Up and Ride, Deflect. I think this is this a bike brand of some sort? I'm not quite sure, but that's cool. And then also under this is a Arctic Accelero Extreme 4. This is an aftermarket cooler, and in another video I will try to put this on a EVGA 2080 Ti blower that is extremely hot. Even though I changed the thermal pads, it was really hot. So thank you, James, for this Arctic cooler, man. I will open this up in a sec. Next thing I got is a bunch of GPU riser boxes, which we will open up here in a sec. And as well, I got another package from Critical Thermal Pads, and I'll go through what we got here. But great, I gotta spend more time thermal padding my GPUs, and so this should be pretty fun, Alright guys, I want to start off first with unboxing the GPUrisers.com risers, because we're going to be doing a giveaway. I'm going to announce it here in a second, so let me just open up what we got here. Let's open up this first box. And GPUrisers.com. Oh my god. Okay. Speaking of thermal pads, there's more here from GPUrisers.com. Now, they have their 1.5 mil thermal pads. That's awesome. So before we were playing around, you guys probably saw many of my videos changing these out. They're 2 mil and they're 3 mil last couple weeks ago. Now they sent me their 1.5 mil, which is great. There is a lot here. Jeez, GPU risers, this is way too much, man. 2.5 mil. I think we were waiting for that for a couple GPUs. I remember we were changing. And so yeah, 1.5 and 2.5. I think that's what GPU risers sent here. So good stuff. Oh, they're 2 mil. Okay, good stuff. And also they're 3 mil. 3mm thermal pads as well. Alright, that's cool. GPU risers, wow. Seriously, looks like I will have to do my own giveaway of thermal pads for sure. There's just, unless somebody wants to come and change all my thermal pads for a lot of my GPUs, because I do need to do that. So GPUrisers.com, thank you so much. Alright, going along guys, let's open up the next package here. This is a much bigger box. I just love their boxes. Oh, nice. These are all the GPUrisers.com 120 mil white fans. And some of you may have saw that video a couple of weeks ago when I changed out a lot of my 120 mil fans on my open air frames. So let's go over here and you can see GPU risers saw my video and I was like, you know what, I need to buy like 13 more, I think 13 more to fill out the rest of these rigs here, these 3 rigs here, so I can have 8 on each of the 12 GPU mining frames. I'm definitely gonna put these on probably at the end of the video really quick. Awesome stuff. Thank you, GPUrisers.com. Alright guys, let's open up the last box here. Okay, here we go. Ooh, risers. Okay, hold on. Let me put my camera down. And let's open up this bag. Oh, this feels nice and hefty. This is their new 10 capacitor with a temperature reader, I believe, and also a bunch of LED lights. This is extremely nice. Now it doesn't have, I don't see the Molex anymore or the 6-pin at the top here, so the only power for this riser will be the 6-pin on the back, which is totally fine. Most miners are probably just going to use the back one anyway. I've had some instance where some rigs I did use the 6-pin on this side, but looks like they decided to opt out and change it with LED indicators instead. So you know what? Let's go ahead and let me plug in one of these guys right now. Boom! Take a look at that. That is nice. Oh, I love that. I love the lighting. I love this lighting. That's pretty sick. Okay, so now the power, I gotta flip it around. The temperature reader here shows 23 degrees Celsius. That's cool. I think there's a button here, and now it's 73 Fahrenheit. So I believe the temperature reader here is only for ambient, just around the riser. I'm not quite sure where the sensor is. Oh, I think it's right here. So if I put my finger on it, the temperature should go up. Yeah, it's like right there. Right here. Yeah, see, look at that. My finger, 27, it was at 24. Now it's at 27, 28 now. So that's pretty cool. Right on, GP Risers. Thank you so much for the risers. So, we are gonna do a giveaway. All right, GP Risers told me to give away some risers here on behalf of them. So, we're giving away 2 packs of these today. We're gonna be doing one in USA and Canada, in North America. And then we're gonna do also another giveaway in EU on behalf of gprisers.uk. All right, guys, GP Risers in Europe. So we're gonna do 2 different giveaways. You guys have to comment down below if you are in USA or Canada or EU, and also comment something positive about anything. And then I will choose the winner about a day after this video is uploaded. And yeah, I will comment on your comment in the comment section, and you guys have to just respond to me and send me your shipping address, and I will send that off to gprisers.com and gprisers.uk. So guys, good luck. This is pretty sweet. I love this. I'm just gonna unplug this. There we go. All right, perfect. Gonna put this in back. Going to put this back in its bag. All right, awesome stuff. gprisers.com, also gprisers.uk. Thank you guys so much. Stay tuned. We're gonna be doing a 12 GPU mining frame giveaway as well. A white mining frame. I don't have one here at the moment. Actually, it's in one of those boxes, but we're going to be giving away a 12 GPU mining frame on behalf of gprisers.com as well in another video, guys, so stay tuned for that. Now, next package I want to open here is from James. I believe he is in Canada here, and this is the aftermarket cooler that he's just sent me because of the 2080 Ti video. I talked about trying to find one of these coolers, and they were just impossible. These were extremely hard to get a hold of because they're just sold out on Amazon and whatnot and all that good stuff. Actually, you know what? I still need to take it out of the bag here. So this is a heat sink for the back plate, I believe. Wow, that's pretty sick. Okay, and then this is the front side. I believe this is for the cooler itself. And the GPU side of it. Let's open this up. Nice, very nice. Look at this. Woo! This is a hefty aftermarket GPU cooler. Look at this, guys. This is nice. Arctic cooler. This should hopefully do pretty well on that EVGA 2080 Ti. You guys probably saw that video where it was getting about 73 degrees Celsius. Though I have it in the Octominer case right now getting like 64 degrees. So it's fine in the Octominer, but once I put it in the open air, it gets hot. So yeah, you know what? I should definitely put this on that EVGA. That is awesome. James, if you're watching this, my friend, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. I'm gonna send you something. I'm gonna send you a gift. I don't know what yet, but I will surprise you. I got your address, man, so thank you for the stickers as well. That is wholesome. I'm definitely gonna put these on my sticker wall there. That's gonna be awesome. Thank you so much, man. This I will try in another video once I take out that 2080 Ti. I also have another 2080 Ti which is an Asus Strix, so I'll probably swap that out in my Octominer and take out the EVGA 2080 Ti blower. and put this guy. I wonder how I'm gonna put this on its backside, and how does it stay on? Does it just naturally stay on because of the thermal pads? I don't feel any screws or anything. Is it just passively stay on the back plate? I guess we'll figure that out when the time comes. Alright guys, lastly, I want to show you Critical pads, Critical thermal pads. They have sent me a bunch of different thermal pads here, and these are also 20 watts per meter Kelvin, same as like the GP risers. So we got 2.25 mil, we got 1.25 mil, awesome, and we got a 1 millimeter, nice, I think I needed 1 mil, and we got 0.75 mil, awesome. And what do we got here? We got a GPU custom set. All 20 watt per meters Kelvin thermal pads needed for Gigabyte RTX 3080, Gaming Eagle, and Vision. Oh, no way, yes. Okay, this is gonna go very well with one of my Gigabyte cards that is horrible, or it was good, but then it started getting worse because of the front thermal pads. So I have a Gigabyte 3080 Gaming OC. This is a non-LHR, and so this kit will do just perfect on this Gigabyte Eagle. That's awesome. So Critical Pads, they make custom GPU thermal pad kits specifically for different GPU models. And you guys can see the specs here. Hardness, Shore C12. I'm not sure what that means. Color, bright green. Ah, it's bright green color. So these are probably not the same style as like the GP Riser's white thermal pad, and that's pretty cool. Okay, and we got some more here. I'm just gonna read this off. Another custom set for an MSI RTX 3080, 3080 Ti, 3090 Ventus 3X. Ah, yes, I have one. Yes, it's on my hanging GPU rack rig here. So this is a Ventus 3080 non-LHR. Definitely needs thermal pads. Both of these GPUs are thermal throttling right now. I will put it on the screen here, the HiveOS stats of them definitely throttling like crazy and getting like very low hash rate right now. I'm pretty sure they're at like 110 degrees Celsius on the memory. So Critical Pads, thank you guys so much. And then we got some Asus RTX Tough Edition thermal pads. Good stuff. Kits. So custom GPU set. Alright, that's awesome, man. You sent me 3 of those, so I can do that on a couple. I know I need to change on those. Critical, thank you so much. Critical thermal pads, thank you guys so much for your thermal pads. I will definitely do a video on the Gigabyte and my Ventus together and see how it works. I'm sure it will work quite well. So that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Just a simple unboxing video and the little announcement there. So guys, comment down below. Don't forget, we're gonna choose 2 winners of their brand new 10 capacitor risers with the temperature reader and LED, bunch of LED indicators here. So guys, 2 packs, 1 in North America, 1 in EU. Just comment down below if you're in USA or Canada or EU, and as well a positive comment about anything. And I appreciate you all so much. GP Risers, again, thank you for the thermal, like seriously, this is incredible. Like this is, if I were to change the thermal pads on all my GPUs, that would literally be a full-time job. And that's something I don't wanna do. Alright guys, I promised that I would change all my fans or add the fans to my open air frames at the end of this video. So let me just quickly do that for anyone that's here. You guys will see it here now in 3, 2, 1. Yes, it's all uniform now. Look at that, guys. Doesn't that feel better? Yeah, that looks so good. I love it. I love it. All the white LED 120mm GPU riser fans. Here's the destruction. It was definitely really hard to install while my mining rigs were on. Yes. Tried to do the best cable management I could with the Molex cables going into the server breakout board. And yeah, this it's not the greatest cable management, but that's the best I could do. All right, my friends, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one. Peace out.